Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of
Maintenance Monday.
Two jobs on today. Seems good. Spring and bushing out. Clean it up, put the new spring in. There we are, back down to a 500-pound spring, 14 clicks of preload, Fox say anywhere from 8 to 26 I think it was. Just need to refit it. Bushings all back in, seals, etc. Shock back in, torque the bolts up. So that's it, both jobs done. Track handlebars raised up the stack, which brings the rates back slightly. Lighter spring put into the marin. Adjusted the suspension settings based on Fox's recommendations for the lighter spring. Have to get out and ride it now, see how it goes. The reason I changed the spring was that it used to be mullet. I'm now running 29. 29er raises the bottom bracket height, and that's what I was trying to cure, was getting too many pedal strikes. The stiffer spring cured that on the mullet wheel. Now I'm 29er wheel. I'm coming back down the spring weights again, and we'll find the optimum setup somewhere.